Five. We live. What's going on with y'all, man? 5-star Phantom in the building, man. 4-time Frankie out here, man. And y'all already know where I'm at out here. I know y'all heard that water in the background, fam. I know y'all heard it. Hey, man, golly. Oh, bro, you just chin checked the fuck out of me, bro. If he would have hit me any fucking hard, bro, my mouth would have been goddamn bleeding out here. Sit your ass down somewhere. This dude just got done running back and forth. I'm talking about suicides, nigga. Like,